Hey, wonderful friends. My name is Alyssa and this is Dreaming of the Farm. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, we are making my pool filter prettier by adding some landscaping and making it more aesthetically pleasing. If it's your first time here, please subscribe to my channel where I share home decor, lifestyle, and motherhood. Hey friends, welcome to another video. My name is Alyssa and this is Dreaming of the Farm. I haven't filmed a video in forever, but I'm doing a project today that I think is worth filming. In today's video, we are going to be making a pool filter look cute. It's messy, it's muddy, it's gross, and I have an idea to make this better. So let's talk through this idea here. So we have some beach grass that is twice planted. So last year it died. And there's a bunch of reasons why it may have died, but I'm assuming it's because we didn't put any topsoil down. So we are going to make a garden bed. We're going to put stones around, fill in topsoil, and put rock around the beach grass that is already there. And we're hoping it's going to make this less of an eyesore. The beach grass is going to hopefully grow really tall and cover it up, because the last thing I want is like a fence, or to me, covering an eyesore with another eyesore is silly. So I want it to be lush and gorgeous. So everything we got was from Lowe's. We got 4 by 11 heritage gray concrete retaining wall blocks. We got about 75 of those, and we got some gray river rock as well as some topsoil. Doesn't like how I stack them, so now I'm not gonna help. That's my husband, Robert, who's extremely judgy on how we stack cars. And those are my 3 bestest friends in the whole world. I have 3 daughters, Ellery, Emmy, and Evelyn, and they are my squad. True story, I asked our landscapers last year for an estimate and they told me $9,000 to do this. And I think we did this for about $300. Obviously, landscapers probably would have done it a little bit better, but this was super easy and simple, and it's about a week in and all is going well. We began by tracing out a little roundish island and just deciding and discussing if we wanted to do 1 level of the concrete retaining wall or 2, and we did decide to do 2. So we just passed the 2-year anniversary of us putting our pool in, and we also passed the 2-year anniversary of a tornado that came through our yard. So as you can see behind me, there's a lot of exposed root and weeds, and it's pretty messy. The ground is not the most ideal conditions because we did lose about 400 trees, and on top of that we dug up a pool, and if anyone's done a pool install, you know how time consuming that can be with clay and the dirt just not being great. And this beach grass we planted last season, it growed amazing, it grew really tall, and it covered the filter completely, and then it did not come back this season. So I'm hoping by adding some soil and some rock, maybe it will come back. Last season was super dry and we did plant it like a little bit later, so that could be another reason. But I'm really hoping that this beach grass will grow as tall as it did in the past, and like it grew over our fence, like it covered the filter completely. So if all that goes well, this will really cover up that eyesore of a pool filter, and I'll be super happy. So the last part of this project, which we backed our car right up there, was to put down some gravel and some rock. All right, folks, so there you have it. Definitely improvement. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think and let me know what other plants we can add. I definitely want to contrast with something a little bit more dynamic. And while I'm here and sharing, I just want to appreciate any likes and comments on the video. It really helps push the algorithm. And I am going to be rebranding soon. More to come on that, but I can't say how thankful I am. If you haven't already, please subscribe. See you soon.